What's up, everybody? It's SM. Today, I'm breaking down the only 3 trading strategies you'll need to crush the US market in 2025. These aren't just theories, they're practical, actionable, and designed for real results. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, you'll walk away with a clear plan. Ready to level up your trading game? Let's dive right in. Smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future money-making tips. First up, momentum trading. This is one of the most exciting and fast-paced strategies out there, and it's all about capitalizing on the energy of the market. If you've ever seen a stock suddenly take off and wondered how traders catch those moves, you're about to find out. Momentum trading is all about spotting stocks on a hot streak and riding the trend for as long as it lasts. Think of it like surfing. You want to catch the wave at just the right moment, ride it as it builds, and jump off before it crashes. In today's fast-moving market, news and social media can send stocks soaring in minutes. A single tweet, a breaking headline, or a viral post can trigger a buying frenzy, pushing prices higher and higher in a matter of hours. Momentum traders jump in early, ride the wave, and get out before it crashes. The key is to act quickly and decisively. Hesitation can mean missing the move entirely. Here's how you can spot and ride these waves like a pro. Use a stock screener to find US stocks hitting new 52-week highs with high trading volume. That's your first clue. High volume means lots of traders are interested, and new highs signal strong momentum. Next, check for a real catalyst, like a big earnings beat, a major partnership, or a new product launch. These events can fuel the momentum and keep the stock moving higher. If the story checks out, you've found your setup. Enter the trade, but always have an exit plan. Use a trailing stop loss to lock in profits as the stock climbs. This way, if the price reverses, you protect your gains and avoid giving back profits. Don't get greedy. When momentum fades, get out. You're not marrying the stock, just dating it for the ride. Remember, the goal is to capture the middle of the move, not the exact top or bottom. If you spot sector-wide momentum, you can play it with ETFs to spread your risk. This lets you ride the trend without betting everything on a single stock, which can be safer during volatile times. Remember, FOMO, fear of missing out, often drives these moves, but discipline is what protects your gains. Stick to your plan, and don't let emotions take over. Here's a quick recap. Find strong movers, confirm the catalyst, set your exit, and stick to your rules. Consistency is what separates successful momentum traders from the rest. Let the plan work for you. Trust your process, and don't second-guess every tick in the price. The market moves fast, but your plan keeps you grounded. That's momentum trading for 2025, a strategy that's simple, powerful, and perfectly suited for today's dynamic markets. Simple, fast, and effective. If you stick to your rules and stay disciplined, you'll be ready to ride the next big wave. Ready for the next strategy? Let's go. Next, swing trading, the perfect fit for busy people who can't watch the market all day. Swing trading allows you to balance your trading activities with your daily responsibilities, making it an ideal strategy for those with a hectic schedule. Swing traders hold positions for days or weeks, aiming to catch a chunk of a bigger move. This approach is less stressful than day trading and can be more profitable than long-term investing if done correctly. The secret? Technical analysis. Focus on support and resistance. Buy near support, sell near resistance. These levels act as psychological barriers where the price tends to reverse. Use moving averages. If a stock is above its 200-day average and pulls back to the 50-day, watch for a bounce. That's your entry. Moving averages help smooth out price action and identify the direction of the trend. Set your target just below the previous high and always use a stop loss below support to limit risk. This ensures you protect your capital and live to trade another day. Want extra confirmation? Check the RSI. The Relative Strength Index measures the speed and change of price movements. If it's below 30 at support, that's a strong buy signal. It indicates the stock is oversold and may be due for a rebound. Above 70 at resistance, time to sell. This suggests the stock is overbought and could be poised for a pullback. Combine indicators for smarter trades. Using multiple indicators can provide a more comprehensive view of the market and increase the accuracy of your trades. Swing trading works on big names and growth stocks alike. Just look for clear patterns and good liquidity. Stocks with high liquidity are easier to buy and sell without affecting the price too much. The key: repeat a proven process, manage risk, and let the odds work in your favor. Consistency and discipline are crucial for long-term success in swing trading. Swing trading is accessible, flexible, and powerful for 2025. With the right tools and strategies, anyone can become a successful swing trader. Let's get high-tech with our final strategy. Embrace the future of trading with advanced platforms and tools designed to give you an edge in the market. Finally, let's talk about algorithmic trading, where you hand over the heavy lifting to computers that can execute your trading strategy automatically, 24/7, without ever getting tired or distracted. Imagine having a robot assistant that never sleeps, never panics, and never second-guesses itself. Algo trading removes the emotional roller coaster from your decisions. No more fear or greed, just pure logic and instant reactions to market changes, even when you're away from your desk or fast asleep. You simply set the rules, like when to buy, when to sell, and how much to risk, and the bot does the rest, following your instructions with machine-like precision. And here's the best part: you don't need to be a coder or a tech genius to get started. Today's platforms are designed for everyone, from total beginners to seasoned pros. Platforms like TradingView or TradeStation offer user-friendly, drag-and-drop tools that let you build and test strategies visually. You can experiment with different ideas and see how they would have performed in the past. For example, you could program a bot to buy whenever the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, a classic golden cross signal that many traders use to spot upward trends. And when the opposite happens, the death cross, your bot can automatically sell, locking in profits or cutting losses without hesitation. But before you risk a single dollar, always backtest your strategy on historical data. This lets you see how your rules would have performed in real markets, helping you spot weaknesses and fine-tune your approach. Next, use a paper trading account to test your bot in real time with fake money. This step is crucial for building confidence and ironing out any bugs before you go live. Not a DIY type? No problem. You can rent or buy pre-built bots from online marketplaces, but be careful. Always check their track record, read reviews, and steer clear of anyone promising guaranteed profits. Scams are everywhere, and markets are always changing. Even with automation, your job isn't over. Monitor your bot's performance regularly and tweak its settings as markets evolve. Think of it as managing a team member. You're still in charge. You're the manager, and the algorithm is your employee, one that works tirelessly but still needs your guidance and oversight. For the tech-savvy, APIs let you build custom bots in Python or other languages, giving you ultimate control and flexibility to create unique strategies that fit your style. The bottom line? Algorithmic trading is more accessible than ever. It brings discipline, speed, and a huge edge for traders in 2025 and beyond, no matter your experience level. So start simple, test thoroughly, and let technology work for you. The future of trading is automated, and it's waiting for you to take the first step. There you have it. Momentum trading, swing trading, and algorithmic trading, your toolkit for 2025. Each strategy has its strengths, so pick what fits your style and risk tolerance. Remember, trading is risky. Always do your own research and consider professional advice. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.